How to transfer contacts to a new LG phone.
Logo, LG, life's good.
Congratulations on your new LG phone. To set it up, you'll want to transfer your data from your old phone to the new one, and that's easy. We'll show you how.
Phone screen reads copy apps and data.
On the old phone, first back up your data using the steps in the backup to Google Videos, linked in the description.
An arrow points into a cloud. Phone screen reads backup with Google Drive, then backup complete.
After the data is backed up, go through the activation and setup on the new phone until it asks you to copy apps and data.
New phone screens read welcome, new second screen, and copy apps and data. The next button is on the lower right.
At this point, tap on Next. Then tap on a backup from the cloud.
On the Bring Your Data From screen, backup from the cloud is the first option.
Sign in with your Google email and password that has your backup from your previous phone.
Google sign-in screens.
On the next screen, choose either Skip or Yes, I'm in.
Screen with Google account options. At the bottom of the screen are the Skip and Yes, I'm in buttons.
On the screen after, choose I agree if you agree with the terms and conditions.
Google Welcome screen links to terms and conditions. The I agree button is on the lower right.
This is required to restore the data. Tap on the backup to restore.
Choose a backup to restore screen lists backups.
Confirm your screen lock from your previous phone, if applicable. Then choose what content to restore from the options.
Choose what to restore screen list size and content types.
That can include apps, call history, contacts, device settings, and SMS messages. Note that the options available will depend on what data you backed up previously. Also note that Google Calendar, Google Contacts, Photos, and Gmail are automatically synced and do not have checkboxes. Tap on Restore and wait for the restore to complete.
The Restore button is on the bottom right.
This can take from a few minutes to an hour depending on the data connection speed and the amount of data to be restored.
An LG startup logo appears on a black phone screen.
Thanks for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your new phone. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.
LG support website. Logo, LG, life's good. Text, learn more at lg.com.